Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to this video. Alright, so if you guys ever need to remove or replace the mass airflow sensor, if you guys have issues with crank no start issues, idling issues, engine running a bit weird, you guys might want to replace the mass airflow sensor, especially if you guys get a code for it specifically for this mass airflow sensor. If you guys can see, it's right here. Right, two Phillips bolts, and essentially you guys just push on this little tab, and then you might need a screwdriver to take it off. Once you guys take it off, there's a little O-ring. You might need to pry it off just a little bit to get it off, but you guys could clean it. They're not expensive. If you guys buy AutoZone, Advanced Auto, any of those places, they might be expensive on eBay or Amazon. They're like $24, $25. Yeah, really easy to replace. Probably can fix a lot of the issues that you guys might have. If you guys like this video, leave a comment. Please subscribe. Thumbs up, guys. Take care.